Have you received multiple university admits or applied to multiple universities? How do you then make a final choice? If you're someone who has applied to multiple universities or has bagged multiple university admits, I would definitely recommend that you weigh the course or the subject specialization while making the final choice of university. In this video, I'll walk you through what other factors will help you weigh multiple university admits. Keep watching and stay tuned to our channel. I'm Virudha Virkud, a Texas A&M alumna who has, over the last 2 decades, mentored over 12,000 plus students, bagged top global admits in universities like Cornell, Columbia, Carnegie Mellon, TU Delft, University of British Columbia, University of Toronto, NUS, to name a few. There are several factors that actually matter when you're comparing university admits. To name a few, factors like location, ranking, subject, cost, weather conditions, job market, etc. What also matters in selecting the right kind of university is your preferences and your priorities. For ease of reference, I will be categorizing these factors into 2 broad types. One being location, along with the cost, the weather conditions and the job market. And the second one would be the subject specialization along with brand and ranking. Let's now weigh each of these factors and its importance while finalizing the universities. When you're considering location, for that matter, you would also want to think about the cost involved, the weather conditions and the job market in that location. Let's look at each of this in detail. If you want to consider places which are warmer, then you're better off looking for the southern parts of USA. Like for example, you should opt for Florida, Texas or Arizona. If cost is a concern, do note that you're better off avoiding places like California and New York, as they have high cost of living. In terms of the job market, if you are from the IT industry or from the semiconductor industry, then you should select universities in California. Whereas if you're from the mechanical engineering background or the automobile industry, then you should select universities from either Ohio or Michigan. One other pro tip that I would want to share here, which is very important while selecting universities according to job market, is that the universities do not follow campus placement method. Hence, it's best to apply to universities across USA and not restrict your choice based on the job market. While location definitely is important, what weighs more important is subject specialization and the brand or the ranking of the university. Among these two, the subject specialization is something that I would strongly recommend, because the whole purpose of going to that university is you want to study that whole subject, and if you are not giving that importance, then this whole exercise is futile. Here I am excited to share a story of a student who has successfully received admits for a course in business analytics for the fall 2022 intake. So Shyam passed out of Vellore Institute of Technology. His GRE score was 314. His TOEFL score was 306 with a GPA of 8.6. He has received 2 admits in business analytics. One, Purdue University, and the second is University of Cincinnati. Now, no doubt the ranking of Purdue University and the brand of Purdue University is better than University of Cincinnati. But when it comes to the course curriculum, I would definitely suggest that Shyam opts for University of Cincinnati, as it stands out in his coursework. It will also provide Shyam better payoffs in terms of studying business analytics. Whereas in the case of Purdue University, the course curriculum is a mix of business analytics and information management, which will not give him that kind of in-depth understanding of business analytics as a field. Hence, overall, in my opinion, it's best to weigh the coursework while finalizing from multiple university admits. Hope these tips help you in terms of taking a final call in selecting the final university. If you require insightful tips and tricks on the admission process, then do leave your comments below and stay tuned to our channel.